Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how to turn in an assignment in Google Classroom. First, you're going to go to Google Classroom and you're going to open your Google Classroom. Once you open your Google Classroom, you're going to go to your page that has all your classes. You're going to click on the class that you need to turn in your assignment and you're going to Classwork tab. Once you are in the Classwork tab, you're going to click on the assignment your teacher asks you to submit, and you can see the due dates on the right side. So you click on the assignment and you're going to click on View Assignment. Once you are in here, you can see towards the right side, you can open up the document. If I click on the name of the student, my name, in this case my son's, a new document will be loading up with the actual work. If I need to make any changes, then I make the changes right now before submitting. Once I'm happy with my slides or Google Docs that my teacher has assigned me, then I can close the document and I can go back to my Google Classroom, and right here I click Turn In. I need to click turn in twice. In here, I click turn in a second time, and you can see it's turning in the work. And now you can see that it no longer says turn in. And that's how you turn in an assignment in Google Classroom.